The wild and woolly prairies lived an Indian maid, Arawana, queen of fairies, of her tribe afraid. Each night came an Irish laddie-buck with a wedding ring. He would sit outside her tent and with his bagpipes loudly sing, Arawana, on my honor, I'll take care of you. I'll be kind and true. We can love and build and coo in a wigwam built till shamrock green. We'll make those red men smile when you're Mrs. Barney, Heap Matani from Killarney's Isle. I'll take care of you. I'll be quite as true. We can love and build and coo in a wigwam built till shamrock green. We'll make those red men smile when you're Mrs. Barney, Heap Matani from Killarney's Isle. While the moon shone down upon the marijuana side, some great race must call you Big Thief, then I'll be your bride. You're that daisy, whispered Barney with the smiling face. All my family were good runners and were first in every race.
And that is the cat's Meow. That's the kind of camera you're hoping to get. It's a pretty good condition, and it's ready for shooting. Sure is. So I just wanted to show you guys what a good camera looks like, what you're probably looking for. But what I'm looking for a different kind of camera. I call this the flivver. If you don't know what a flivver is, you can look it up on Google. It's some 50s slang, and it perfectly suits this kind of camera. So what I'm showing you guys here is a camera I just got, and I'm taking a look at it for the first time. I'm going to wiggle here on the winder, looking at the condition of the leatherette. And then what I'm thinking right now is this camera has some film in it. Yep. And you see the spin of the frame counter? Yep, that means there's some film in there. Alright. Take a picture. Say cheese. Yeah, take a look at the f-stop. It's kind of slow. I'm going to have to take that apart. Grease her up. Do that in another video. Take a look at the body, and that's really gross. That's mold and rust. We'll fix that later. Take a look at a couple cases. You know, this is a good case right here. Although the straps are missing, you could definitely take that out in the field. And take a look inside. Oh yeah, some good blue suede. Tag came off. We'll glue that back on. Not a big deal. I like this case a lot. I really do. This is a case I got, one of the first. I took one look at it and I thought, alright, this is a good camera. Now look at the strap, everything's good. Opened it up, wanted to see the camera, and I found a big moldy camera with a moldy case. Sat in someone's basement for a while, or I don't know what the story is, but I did clean it up, so it's still good. You can take that out and shoot. These are the majority of what my cases look like in pieces. I'm probably gonna have to learn me some leather working skills, and I do have some sewing skills, but boy, that's those poor cases. That's alright, we'll fix them up, make a video on it. So I'll put that in my collection. Getting a nice collection of Argus C3 camera cases. Here's my stinky moldy one. I wanted to show you guys the flash guns. If you're fortunate enough to find one with a flash gun, get it. This one I just got, and it's got some weight to it. Just take D batteries, or I'm sorry, C batteries, and yeah, that feels not good. It's hard to unscrew. Starting to worry, and that's what I'm worried about. That is not good. Good. Let's see. Oh, that is an old battery. Probably shouldn't have any of that on my hands. Ugh. I forgot something to do with it. There's another one. It's real light. Got a nice sticker on it. Unscrew that. That's what we're looking for. Look at that. Nice and clean. Probably get that sucker to work later. I only got one of these. This will attach to the camera itself with the leather case on it. Looks really cool. Different kind of bulb. And I think there's the battery chamber. Really neat. Let's take a look inside. Beautiful. Look at that. Love it. Probably never had a battery in it his whole life. And look at that. Made in the USA. That's what this is all about. Let's take a look at some flash bulbs. Those smaller flash guns, they take the number 5. I did find a few of them out there. Get them when I can. Come in white and blue. Not really sure why yet. Man, that's cool. Look at that. And it came with a nice little box. Westinghouse. It has some numbers on the back. I'm not really sure what. But get enough of these fixed and repaired. Get them out in the field. Experiment a little. Just wanted to show you that. This, my pride and joy. My telephoto lens. Got a few lenses. And man, look at that. Feels so good in your hand. Weight to it. That is built well. That is built well. Came with a book as well. Look at that. Have to read through that. Got some directions on how to use the camera itself. That is neat. I really like that. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys a couple things to look out for when you're looking for a C3 camera. Maybe your grandma gave you one, you found one at a thrift store, and it's in bad shape. Just wanted to know, don't worry about it. We're gonna make some videos and show you how to clean them up, make them work. Just want to thank you guys for checking out my video, and stay tuned for the next episode.
The wild and woolly prairies lived an Indian maid, Arawana, queen of fairies, of her tribe afraid. Each night came an Irish laddie, but with a wedding ring.